Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Sorry about the background. Okay, I'm going to be taking you guys in how I wash my hair. All right guys, my hair, I have not washed it for a full 1 month. Excuse me. So saying my hair, I've not washed it for a full 1 month. Okay, I did this braid during the Christmas period, and I think that was on the 20th, and today is 20. Yes, so it's full 1 month I have not washed my hair, and I have been sweating and all. So if you can see, I don't know if you guys can see very well, there are some dirt. Will I call it dirt, or will I call it cream residues on my hair? I need to wash that out. So I need to wash that out and take care of my hair. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with comments. I just finished doing my workout. That is why I am sweating like this. That water was needed. I just finished doing my workout. That is why I am sweating like this. So I want to wash my hair, and I'll be taking you guys along in my prepoo of choice. I'm thinking of using onions juice as my prepoo. Onions juice prepoo, then wash it with my collagen and biotin shampoo. Okay, wash it with that. Then I'll do like a little deep condition with the collagen and some other avidic spice. Just mix it together and apply it on my hair and sit on my what I call it again, on my hot cap. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please subscribe if you have not. Share with comments, and let's get today's video started. So this is my onions. I'm using half onions. Okay, onions is very popular home remedy for hair growth. Okay, it's high in sulfur and keratin, hair protein, and collagen production, which strengthens your hair and reduce breakage. So I'm going to be using these onions to apply it on my scalp to boost and nourish my follicles. Okay, and also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help to heal your scalp, fight dandruff, and create a better environment for your hair growth. Okay, so I'm going to be using this on my hair. And another thing I love about onions is that study shows that onions has a very amazing impact, okay, that helps in helping you to stop hair loss. And if you have alopecia, using onions consistently on your hair is going to help you to promote hair growth in that particular place. Okay, besties, so it's good in blood circulation, it's has sulfur, okay, and it's really amazing for hair growth. So love, I'm just going to be using it as my prepoo. All right, besties, since my hair is dirty and you know onions has a lot of foul smell, like very strong smell. Okay, so why I'm using it as my prepoo, so that when I'm washing my hair the onion smell can remove. So love, if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. After grating it like this, I'm going to squeeze out the juice. I'm not going to be using a grater, because using a grater I'll have to add water. I don't want to add water in the onions. I just want to just get the main onions juice, not adding extra water to it. So even though it's going to be small, I'm going to use it like that, because we are only concentrating on my scalp, not the whole of my hair. So guys, I'm done blending and it's time to apply. I'm using my finger. Why I use grater to grate it is because I don't want to add water. I don't want to add water in the onions to get the juice. So that's why I have to use grater to grate it. This braid, the braid for me, I don't really like it because it's this tight braid. It's not the loose one. And it's not the same girl that made my hair. That used to make my hair, that made my hair in the salon when I went to. So maybe I'll have to change the salon because the girl is no longer there. I have to change salon and look for someone that will be braiding loose braid for me. I don't like tight braid. I don't just like tight braids for anything. Let's apply it on the front edges because those places they grow. But get your own brain, get your own mind. My front edge has a mind of its own. This is not Mario. Onions water. It's painful. Massage with both fingers. Lord, may those instruments of your peace. So I'll wait for like 30 minutes, then I'll rinse it out before we apply my deep condition. 30 minutes is up and it's time for me to wash my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be using a little bit of warm water to wash my hair. That's what I'll use to wash my hair. And for my shampoo, I'm using this my collagen and biotin shampoo to wash my hair. Okay, besties, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. This was the condition. Did not know that I was holding the condition till after I have applied it on my hair, and I noticed that, oh, it was the condition I was using. So I had to go back and get the shampoo. Okay, so this is the shampoo I'll be using. I love the smell of the shampoo a lot. It smells so amazing, and I love the after feeling of using it. Okay, it keeps your hair moisturized. It does not strip your hair of any oil. It just wash your hair, makes it really clean. So I washed my hair like twice. Reason why, which I'll show you guys. The first one, my hair was really dirty. Okay, like really dirty. I'll show you guys the soap, the foaming soap of the first wash and the foaming soap of the second wash. I don't know if that's the right word to use. Yeah, so I washed the first one, use my hand, finger, massage my scalp, make sure I'm washing out all the dirt. Then I'll press it out. Like I saw that there was dirt coming out. Like this is it. This is the first one. It's a little bit brownish in color. Then I rinse and I'll wash the second one, which you see that it will be white in color. That means that my hair is clean. Yes, when your the soap is white in color, it means your hair is no longer dirty. So I washed my hair twice on this particular video. Yes guys, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. How long does it take you to wash your hair? Why did I stay long to wash my hair? I was busy, you know. I did this hair on the holiday, so I just left my hair and I was enjoying the holiday. I did not touch my hair. I did not use any leave-in or any things I used to use normally on my hair. I just left my hair and I was wearing wigs, going out, coming back, heat, everything. So I just left the hair entirely. That is why I did not wash the hair for like a whole 1 month, and I started feeling itchy, so I decided to wash it on this day after my workout, because I did workout. I was sweating. I decided to wash it, and I noticed that, oh, my hair is dirty. I don't normally carry this hair long without washing it. My OG in the channel knows I wash my hair either every week or twice in a month. Yes, with my mini braids. So if you watch other of my old videos, you can see and you can tell how long I used to carry my mini braids. I carry my mini braids for 2 months. In that 2 months, I wash it that 4 times or 8 times, depending on how sweaty I am for that month. If I'm very, very sweaty, I wash every week. But if I'm not that sweaty, I wash it twice in a month. Yes guys, so this is my hair after it's being washed, and I will move into the next thing, which is applying my deep condition. This is a deep condition I'll be using. In here I have few ingredients. Okay, I have a full video dedicated to this deep condition, which will be coming out in the channel. This deep condition is really, really moisturizing. I added few Avidavic powder inside. Then I'll also be adding in my condition, the biotin and collagen condition. Okay, so you may not have the condition I have. Just use any condition you have in your house, it's fine. The most important ingredients are the Avidavic spices we use, because this is going to help to enhance the deep condition or the normal condition you have. Okay, so if you have this there's another deep condition I used to have in the channel, I used to use in the channel. You can use that one to enhance your Avidavic condition, or you can use your normal condition to enhance your Avidavic spices. Okay, so I'm going to be using this particular one for today, this collagen and biotin. Okay, this is one I use for this video, and I'll be showing you guys how I apply it on my hair. I'm going to be applying this on my hair. After application, this is what my hair looks like. Okay, so I love this. I sat down under my heat cap. Okay, sit down under your heat cap for few minutes. I sat down under the heat cap for like 30 minutes. Okay, if you want to sit down for more, you can, but 30 minutes is okay for me. After that, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after sitting down on the heat cap for like 30 minutes. So this is what my hair felt like after sitting down on the heat cap for 30 minutes. So soft, so moisturized. Love this. I'll be doing this more often. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.